I am Paresh Joshi. I am a Principal Staff Design Engineer at Freescale. I work as an emulation lead in Bangalore, working on a SoC whose architecture is Layerscape. There were three basic challenges that we had which drove us to move on to the Palladium system. The first basic challenge was to augment simulation, that is the longer running test cases on simulator. We wanted to run it on the Palladium system. The second big challenge was to enable the software teams. And when I mean software teams, it's like the boot ROM team, the boot support package team, the Linux team. And the third big challenge was to have performance validation in place, like find key performance matrices like latencies, bandwidth, and throughput. So the Cadence AE for us was almost like a phone a friend scenario, and every time we used to sit together, discuss the different various possibilities in which we could implement certain stuff and scripts in place, and once we had implemented them, we would go scale it up to next level to enable a lot of our test cases as well as the software and the BSP teams to be in place. So basically we saw two main benefits out of using Palladium. The first one was the augmentation of simulation that we wanted to achieve. Something which used to take around 2 hours in the simulation environment. On the Palladium box, it will take around a minute or so. And by dumping the adequate waveforms, we were able to root cause to the problem faster. So that's the one part. The second part is by having methodologies in place, we could get faster builds in Palladium. So what earlier used to take 1.5 weeks for us, now takes 1 day to make a Palladium build and start regressions almost immediately on day 2. We found multiple critical bugs on the RTL by using the Palladium XP, and naturally so because the RTL was under development. At the same time, the methodology that we adopted of using many numbers of mini test cases has enabled the software teams to take those mini test cases as atomic units and start building their software upon it. So that is where we found the maximum use of the Palladium XP. I would actually split up the challenges into two parts. One is the short-term challenges and the other is a longer-term challenge. From the short-term challenges point of view, getting a higher speed of the Palladium itself is getting into a requirement. The reason for that is the boot ROM team, the Linux teams, the performance validation team, and the design verification team simultaneously want to use the Palladium box. From a slightly longer term point of view, what we would like to have is something what I would call as a holy grail, where we have a single test bench, a single set of compile scripts, a single set of debug scripts, and the design verification, the performance validation, and the software teams look at the Palladium box as a single unit, just like you would see in silicon.